Alright YouTube, I'm going to do my first oil change on the Predator 2000. I'm going to use a Starbucks cup to go catch it. I'm going to try to see all the metal filings that are going to happen here. Manual says it's supposed to change in 30 hours. I'm probably about 25. So, I'm going to put the phone down. I'm going to open up the little cap. And I'm going to grab the cup and pour it into it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Texas sky. Well, I got my cup of oil. This is a medium. It's Carl Macchiato. Ta-da! So how dirty is it? It's not terrible. I mean, it's bad, but it's not terrible. So what I'll end up doing is I'm pouring oil down there. I got a little spout, and I'm using diesel oil. So it's a heavier oil, and we'll see what happens. It works good so far. It runs. It powers the air conditioning unit, which is nice when you're in Texas and Houston. All right, have a good day.